Hey guys, it's me Conrad Hogg, aka Deus Ex VFX. I just wanted to come on here and say thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. I see really big things for this channel, and in the future I can't wait to make more videos for you guys. I recently bought a webcam, so I'm just waiting for that to come in and then I'll start showing my face more. Just for some context about me, I've had like 4 or 5 YouTube channels in the past and none of them got over 60 subs. All of my channels are for when I was a kid. I was between the ages of like 11 and 13. So I had like 2 gaming channels, a parkour channel. I didn't know how to do parkour. I had a rant channel back when rants were a big thing. And I had a channel where I would post edits and some music videos I made for like rap artists. The best thing about the channel I have now is I feel like I finally found my audience. I've never had a response like this before for the things I've made, and seeing all the positive feedback is incredibly motivating. I know YouTuber isn't exactly a viable source of income or even something that seems attainable, but I just have this feeling that if I stick with it, you know, the tides will turn and I can make something that a lot of people will want to see. What I always try to do in my videos when I talk into the mic, I pretend like I'm talking to a friend. I want my videos to not just feel genuine, but to be genuine. That's why I'm always so weird, because that's how I act when I'm with my friends. And to me, nothing makes learning or enjoying content better than when the person you're watching, you know, drops their ego and tries to just be themselves. The way I act isn't a character, I just am a character. I truly believe that this is just the beginning and that in time, this audience will expand and be something truly remarkable. I'm usually never serious for this long, so I'm gonna end the video before I ruin it. Thank you all again so much for the support, and I can't wait to see the others who join in the future. See ya.